Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka National People's Party NPP haka nyotra ka jamang arjar apun riu kalapan long ya ka General Executive Council komsi Bynta ban penbana ya ka jingrung dukhat u Dr. DRL Nonglait sekretai ka parti haringkat ka jing penbana ya u kumukur tong uban ya airang hak election MP siteng samoy sa Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Hakane ngisngilay don lang daw Conrad kia sangma Menteri Rangba ka jela ubadai ru National President ke NPP haringkat ka jinga don lang ki sembut Menteri Rangba ki bedai ru ki National Vice President ka parti bakentop yo ba Preston tensong baruba snyau balang dhar uba Hamlet Sandok Ling State Working President uba Wailat Miki Shelau State President ke NPYF ki bahayeng hasam u Dr. DRL Nonglait ki dong kersan ka parti nalor Kiwei pat. Haba jing kran hagane ke jingalang uba snyau balang dhar ulaken tu ya kinong ket kam ke parti bandon kawai ke jingmot kata bani trai lang khnang ba ka jela kan yo yo brio ubala ban kran halok sabha
ngabo tang kawai ke jingker pa kum baju ulong ke NPP family ke dai kawai ni ke parti bro disiplin pada state ke jogi kam jo don ke short kam jo don ke dai we are one family matala dai sisa ka por bin kemau no igini pras ni balai ngakan mau arja ka prangi yo tak kendang kemeli balai ni sustain ni do mata kasi ndon gano gadao de tang ejing ite di bito dang le kipo dang ki van kipo na lo ejing tiling la yo kami ke bor kam jero katar bodai ejing ite di ejing ya burung no way ngajo kren man meeting ha National People's Party kam jo don ke groupisms kum betu don Kiwei party kam jo don ke tak timbi ke tim si bila abitras tel detra hoy teng don ke mata ka rai ke government ke sim nya withdraw pa no problem balai le rai ni mata ka jibha jo pada kani quality ke bidang ke alam jong chief minister berom how state president juga ke tim juga ni guru na ka posh ka por kum ke NPP party kawai ke baka sarong tam ka state kita ni kemarin u chief minister president ke Meghalaya kum bala president tam hanai nga jo yo i na kan ki issue apa parlimen ke beda ke sarkar India don issue bag sokan na kamut pan yorot ni ripai kham tam we de Pakistan ladam don check mister kami ndo don ba nok ke do de sentar bana kino state ki bahe ki organization bahe if any problem we face in star government Conrad sama please come and help us and that is the chief minister that we are having now which is we are very proud of the state of Meghalaya. Hanai Kiwei ko ikam bumukam bun bahe tank state. Unjuk portion su hanai pair. Ke NPP party kaduna ka state company de kakam. And that is one of the biggest reason that we are growing from day to day as we see today. Bon ki MLA ba join yang ni ten balade. How are we job are we Down one join. Don't give a all again big a boon bisaka take MLA. Ngan only be but taking on the command. Begging broken, begging Piat, begging Jordan. He paid Sorkar Ayat Kuno, Catalan Kuno, Kuno. They like a target down. But a party and we got grow from strength to strength every day, every minute, every hours. The Shwaban Shawam Kapakin Slan. Now, tanggal ke jingkar party barok ki president jong ki blok lagi live on duty komisi dekat pakai tim ke jong pi unit hapok jong ka blok tong ni don ka wai ke jingmut kumbang doktor Nonglait haka last voice ke video presiden yang la dai ka por ke klip no ya ke isi ban tek no ya ka budget ya ka pay ban repair no ya ka do damage. And that is very important yang even so to in kita bro. But the new one yang way along maybe we will be the first loser. But the new don kajing yang mak kalian banyak tay na way away and we will be the first winner. Kata nga jo mang lagi meeting. Tadi ini ting patwiang kerpat dia baru kita treasure ke party jo ibat, nado ke parents body, nado ke women's wing, nado ke youth wings. Baru way dalam ni tong ini long ke way ke kum ke long. Ke thang je kum ke state baru ke way. Ban yo si sha uno isa ke parliament do badon the west. The voice of Dr. Nonglait is the voice of the people of Meghalaya.
Nak kaliang ba prestun ten song ulaong yaki pajba bakin lech laki jongki constituency betkin pensong tho baga kam ka basa menta ka long ban yo jing itho no yaka ktien khasi bat garo ha ka khranet ka bapra jogariti senshar kari India bat kumta kin ai ka jing job yo Dr. DRL Nonglait ha ka ni ka election
tugina sim ka jing ki klik lang nadu adi ka po bangin lech laki jong ki constituency Nilai salah kijong kisno. Bani nilai ru sya kawai pakawai ketului. Sengau bahan minum ya tiang ada. Nilai bantu syai hati longi keloseng. Yodon kecing sengau thuk bakal. Bakin ji yang menyukan di jongka mati. Hidang bun ki isu ki basah ten. Di Dr. DRL Nonglait ila keren mana. U Presiden juga kasih atas society. Nidang dep tangkap Bynta kabenko. Mereka Bynta kabaan kadang sakut. Namar bakampat room haga constitution juga India. Bat kata di kapten kasih. Bat kapten garu. Ladang ilah. Bat ladang upai bang uji. Ya ini ngakermen stem. Kali kan lo kejingi. Bakajing amnut upai bak garo bat upai bak kasih. Bagi niki artu ligitin kin room no ada constitution jogar India. Ngatrai day kani kakabuk siar yang bangin simkia ban pensyai ya dipai bak. Bagin ai ya kejing job. Kabat don burong.
Nak kaliang menteri rang ba kejela ulaong bagi don ki parti ki bami surak bat Thaw Jingklumar ban pen sngow ye ki mat jing dawa henrei apeng kini don Dr. DRL Nonglait ubayang halakan nongrem ban yo ke jing job. Nolor kata ulaong ru bahagani ke election unlong kumu nong trei jong u Dr. DRL Nonglait om kumu presiden balada un hapan lum Shuki nita poster ru unle na kebenta jong u.
Dr. Nonglait in one word is a simple and a down-to-earth human being who loves his people and who loves his state, and without any form of any violence, without any form of going and creating different problems on the street. Dr. Nonglait has set an example of commitment, of perseverance, of non-violence, and proved that if your intentions are right, if your heart is in the right place, and your determination is unshakable, we will achieve our goal one day. And today you compare. There are certain political parties who believe in street politics, who believe that creating a problem and creating violence, calling people and non-democratically or undemocratically trying to express their concerns, while you have individuals and parties like this, Dr. Nonglait stands as an example. He stands as an example to show that as a citizen of this country, as a citizen of this state, as a true Christian, as a true Kasi, I believe in ensuring that I follow principles. I stick to my values, that I will achieve my goal. It may take me long, but I will achieve my goal through non-violence, through democratic ways, and through constitutional ways. And that is why, my dear family of the National People's Party, we are indeed truly honored and extremely lucky that today we have Dr. DRL Nonglait as the official candidate for this MP by-election in Lok Sabha in Shillong seat in the form of Dr. DRL Nonglait. Let's give another round of applause for this amazing blessing. I welcome Dr. DRL Nonglait to our family, and let me assure you on behalf of every member that Doctor, we are behind you. We will work day and night. We will leave no stone unturned. And from today till your election, I repeat, only till your election. After that again, I will take my original position. But till the election, I am your worker. I am your worker. I am not the national president. I will work behind you. I will stand behind you. And I will work like a common worker of the party, not as a national president. I will do my role as national president. But if I have to pick up the chairs and put the chairs on the side, if I have to hoist the flag, if I have to stick the poster, I will do it for you. I will do it for you, Doctor. And that is the spirit with which we will have to move, each and every single family member of the National People's Party. And it is only then will we come out victorious in this election.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya